Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from Joann's, Michael's, and Sizzix online. First, this haul is a combination, and I got one from scrapbook.com free. So this haul is basically a combination of the last couple of months that I had not shown, but I pretty much got all the ones I think I want, so these are some of the colors. And what I was doing was I was waiting till like each week I would go get a set, go get another one when it had sales or something like that going on, and a couple I got discontinued. But I wanted to grow my collection finally to distress oxides, and so yeah, so I have Shabby Shutters, Squeezed Lemonade, Victorian Velvet, Scattered Straw, Faded Burlap, Black Soot, Fired Brick, Cracked Pistachio, Tumbled Glass, Ripe Persimmons, Picked Raspberry, Dusted Concord, Faded Jeans, Withered Wood, Seedless Preserves, Warm Lipstick, Spun Sugar, Vintage Photo, Mowed Lawn, Twisted Citrine, Fossilized Amber, Colored Paint, Mustard Seed, Antique Linen, which is another one that's already open, that I've already used, Spice Marmalade, Candy Apple, Hickory Smoke, Peacock Feathers, Broken China, and Wilted Violet. Like I said, also Antique Linen. Got a couple of these when they had them for $1.99, so I'm not sure, when this video will be up, because I am so far behind. Because I'm doing those iCads that I got so far behind on my other videos. I'm just throw these in here and then I'll show you a couple of the things I got. I actually probably put half my stuff away, trying to get it done. But I'm excited to use these. I watched plenty of videos on some of the techniques. So excited about that. And the thing I do like about Tim Holtz stuff is they do last. I mean, I still have ink pads. Like this ink pad is about 6 years old. I've never inked it. It still works fine. I did get this on clearance at Michael's for 99 cents. And I bought this, I already have this, but just to put in my stash and giveaway stuff, because it's still a nice stamp set. And so for 99 cents, I thought, good to have as a giveaway. I did order a small. I had a big order, and then I put everything back because I had too much. But a while back, Davenport stuff was on sale on Sizzix. I keep saying Sizzix. I'm sorry. Spellbinders. Ooh. Yeah, this is Spellbinders. Not Sizzix, excuse me. But anyway, so I got this one, Colors Happiness, and I think all the stamps, well, not all of them, the majority of her stamps were like $4.99, $3.99, $4.99, no, $4.99. I think that's what I might have paid, or $3.99. I can't remember. It's like this one was $3.99, I think, because that was the price I think I paid. I paid it Tuesday morning, or maybe $4.99. But they had quite a few of her stuff, a whole bunch of them. I did get this. I know this was $9. I got the eyes, and they also had the little miniature faces, but I just got this one because I thought this would be nice to use in like a journal, and it's a nice little case that they come in, so you can see even like having to close eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets of eyes. They should make, they don't have any like a hooded eye, so you have like all different eye types, but I guess it'll be kind of it, but not much. But anyway, then I did get this stencil set. I had the other one that they had in Tuesday morning, but I didn't get this one. So this comes with a canvas as well. So it says paint till you faint. So this is really nice. And again, I just hadn't had time to do the video. And I'll show you real quick why I got these. So if you're not an artist, like I am not, but you can see right here, The 3 little faces. So basically you kind of like to build and like the fact that she has a hole punch, so you can put them in a binder. But you could, you know, trace that. You could use these eyes. You could use these eyes, these lips on the face, and make a face. The only thing she doesn't give you is the hair, except on this one. But most of them she doesn't. This one, because her other stencil set, she doesn't give you the hair. But this one she does give you the hair. And then you have some other little accessories, which I would say would be like the flowers you want to put on the side of her hair, on her neck. You got a necklace, so you can make a girl, and then you can paint it, and then you can feel like an artiste. As it would be on the canvas, and then you can, you know, keep it. So this is, I think, a 6x8 size canvas. I just realized this thing on ruler. Oh, come right aside. No, I ain't about ruler and metric only. Yeah, it's gotta be 6x8, maybe 6x9. 6x9. So, which is a typical journal size. So I'm excited to get that. And then this is, it says I saw Icon Tours. So this reminds me of like when I was in Mary Kay, you had these little palettes that you could color that you could buy. Well, actually Mary Kay didn't sell them, but I went to this makeup class. I forgot the guy's name, but he had sold these palettes that you could paint on. Of course, I ended up giving them away to one of my daughter's friends. This professional makeup, but you can color on them, which is a good way to practice. And she gives some tips on different skin tones in here. Is it all in French? Oh, girl, it's like that's not gonna help me at all. So she talks about the paint, how to make them, using her palette pastels to go around the face. So she does show you how to do that, so you can practice. Nice quality paper. I don't know what the GSM on it is, but it just says mixed media paper. But yeah, but it's nice, heavy. So, and then it repeats. So it starts repeating. But anyway, I thought that was really nice. So this is just a good way to, and of course you have back in the back, this is a different type of paper. Almost feels like it feels like vellum to be honest, but that's what it feels like. I guess it's vellum. That's what it feels like to me. But anyway, so you have these to practice on. You can take these out and you can put them in your journal. And these are, again, the same size. So it's a 6x9. So if you have a 6x9 journal, this can go right into it. Yeah, 24 6x9 sheets. So 6 designs. And the tracing paper, I'm sorry. So tracing paper, I said that one. That wouldn't have made sense. So I was wondering, like, why would that be in there? So you have tracing paper. And I got the light pad. So I can trace this and you can transfer it into a bigger or a different size journal. And then last but not least, my girl Lisa in this little scrapping. She had got a haul too from them, and she had showed this, and I went on to add it to my cart. But this is just, you know, for ATCs. I love doing ATCs, even iCads. This is a good way to put this on the back of the iCad too. But I also like this. Just says swap or trade. So those are single stamps, so you can put that on the back when you have a swap, for any kind of swap or trade. It doesn't have to be ATCs. But right here, this one is blank. It just says title, artist, contact, and signature. So this can go with any type of project on a tag or anything like that. So it's not just ATCs. You don't do ATCs. Or on the stamp, when it says ATC, you can put a piece of masking tape right there, and when you stamp it out, it'll just have the artist, the title, the contact, and the signature. So you can block out the word ATC. You know, if you want to do it on something else. But anyway, that was Fun Stamper's Journey 1. So I was excited to get that. And I think for this haul, that is all on what I mean. I did get some iris cases. And I think, oh, and I did get 2 paper pads right here. Let me show you that. So I did get, when they had the hot buys on sale for $4.99, the cheapest price of the year. Like I said, this haul is from the last several weeks, months. $4.99, and we can always use glitter paper for 12 by 12, $4.99. So this one is, I thought it had a different color name on it. Doesn't say, but you can see the different colors. Look at that purple, isn't that beautiful? And you know how expensive glitter paper can be. But I just thought they were good. Both for this for $4.99, so you both have 24 sheets each. So, and then again, like I said, I got some iris cases and stuff like that, some storage stuff. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.